demonstrate. What is this thing gonna do?
So there's gonna be a pin right here. These are gonna be twisted 90 degrees and be able to hold metal. But we need handles on it, so that's
cool.
what you're here for.
Hold this. All right. It's already recorded.
Mind if I work? We're here just interrupting his cert night. His tong welding.
Turn that machine on.
Well, what do you like them set at?
It's most likely going to be on AC. Turn it to DC, or here, watch. Oh, it's already on.
6 shit. 88. 88 miles an hour going back to the future.
Something like that. The gas on?
No.
Turn it up to like 25, 30. That's 45. There we go. That should be good.
We need to get a finer scale on there.
Yeah. Oh wait.
On this side, it has 25, it has 15, 20, 25, 30. And on the other side, 40. So
Okay. Here, do you want to set these up the way that you want them?
the pieces of, arrange your pieces of metal.
What do I have?
Arrange your metal so that in the way you want it. Is the ink gonna mess you up?
The ink, no. The ink will clean away pretty quick.
Interesting.
So there's going to be there's 3 racks of filler wire over there. One of them has the copper coating, or not whatever kind of coating it is. It's not going to be silver. Grab maybe just 1 or 3 for a second. Grab some of those. Just get this wall around the corner.
That's a 60, yeah?
Yeah. Well, there's 1/8 inch, but we don't quite need that. There we go. Come here. Yep, perfect.
Dumb question. What is this mega TIG?
This is TIG. So,
Tungsten inert gas welding.
Gas comes out of here. Tungsten comes out of here. This is tungsten. So,
The non-consumable electrode.
basically, it's just electricity making the heat, and then gas shields it from the environment so that it doesn't.
Whenever I need something welded for the blacksmithing class, I come over here. Shit. I'm mad to do it.
Well, what is it?
And then he puts it. It's supposed to be tong handles.
Well, they have you do both. We can start on that. Come on now. There we go. Make sure our lines line up.
I mean, I'm going to be hammering it out anyway, so.
Okay. Oh, so you just need them stuck together. Yeah. So you take class next semester.
Yeah.
So are you in the full program?
Yeah. It's kind of interesting.
This?
They're bend there. They're just doing that to screw with you.
It's a little bit more simple. Eyes, everybody. Check them.
Ready.
I'll hold that part. At least now it's going to be stuck together.
Come on.
Now
focus.
we can move it around. You tap it.
There it is.
Press it like wherever you want it to focus.
Cool. Oh, this is one of them modern day cameras.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's the good stuff. So yeah, MIG is where it comes out of a wire. Basically,
That's in the other room.
yeah, those. Except for in the other room, they also have stick.
Mechanical inert gas weld.
So have you done stick?
Yeah.
Hot.
That's what I wanted on the shirt.
How'd you like the stick class?
This class was
Oh yeah?
trying to get a beat as trying to get perfect as possible, but more
You know, it's tough stuff and it just takes some time.
Yeah.
You know, find the process that you like and then just stick with it. Alright. Eyes.
Ready.
And I think that's the main thing is just find the thing that you're find the thing that you can do and enjoy the most, and something that you can actually absorb your mind into and not have to think too much about. Of course, it's all going to be difficult, but you know, you find something you like, it'll get easier. All right, eyes.
Because we can also use this move down here. You guys want to curve down here. What's that? Oh, in there? But not this one here.
Seems like they're doing it.
Totally not.
It's similar. Of course, that's just gas.
Yeah, of course.
This is electricity. So, you said you're going to be sticking this in the, what do they call it?
Where you pull
The board?
wire and trying to get that.
So you're going to stick it in the board and
work together.
so it will melt. Is that going to be good for you?
That's pretty good.
Okay.
Yeah, that's really good.
Let's do number 2. That's going to be hot. Yeah. Like this, right? Okay. So how much can you move around with the forge? Like, is it going to be pretty malleable?
Oh yeah, definitely.
It's going to look like one piece when you're done with it, right? Yeah.
Pretty dang close.
Nice. You got a barbecue? Is that what you're going to use these for?
No, pulling hot metal out of the forge.
Oh, so you're building your own tools?
Yeah.
Nice.
You ever taken the blacksmithing class?
I have not, no.
You gotta try it out, yeah.
You know,
that seems like something that you'd be into.
You know, it looks pretty cool what you're doing over there. I like the metal rose that we did the other video on.
Yeah.
That was amazing. I mean, that kid had a pretty good idea.
Yeah, I got a picture for you. You'd love this.
Sword? Oh yeah, sword.
The blued up sword.
Yep.
I got an awesome picture of it.
There we go. I saw it. It had like the strands of blue within the purple.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was so cool. Took like a month to do. All right, everybody, eyes.
Yep.
I'm a wire guy. Man, it's dirty. The cleaning action that happens is crazy. You see all the sparks?
Yeah. Is that the carbon flying away?
Yep.
That's awesome.
See, when you take this class, you'll find out that, you know, there's not a whole lot of sparks that happens with TIG, at least not usually. If you work with something like this, though, it's called cleaning. It's called cleaning, you know, like with a mop and all that. Right. You know, it basically just purges whatever it doesn't want in there. It starts flying away. I like the video of the rose because when I start to weld it, it's just like all these sparks just start flying out of the rose butt. Because we welded down that centerpiece.
Yeah.
Like, you know, like right in between it. And
that thing was just carboned up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Fireworks.
Yes.
Eyes.
Good. That had a lot of sparks.
Yeah. Well, and doing TIG, you're usually working with materials that are a lot cleaner.
Yeah.
A lot cleaner than this. But
yeah, drawing the carbon to the surface is one thing blacksmiths are known for.
Well, when it cleans like that, though, it just removes all of it. So that should be good. That'll stick it together for you. Good luck with your tong. Yeah, cool. Enjoy. Handle shouldn't be too hot. You guys. All right, guys.
Hey, thanks, man.